This is journal number 2. It measures 7.5 by 5.25 inches. And I have a pretty image on the front of a vintage style woman. And I have a little hanging bead with a leaf on the end. This is some trim with more beads. There's the back. There's room for a title. And I have a little button closure here, but it's just an elastic that goes around like that. And I did put some duct tape here to make the binding nice and solid. So this is another single signature journal. And I've used mostly papers, I believe, from, again, some pictures from my printables and some scrapbook paper that I had. So I made this triple pocket for these tags. I made this one in a floral type theme. Beautiful paper. I love this. I can't remember the name of the paper collection that was from, but it had beautiful paper in it. And again, I've got a whole variety of different papers, and here's an envelope. I have a little butterfly attached to the flower. A little doily and some parchment paper. Again, another little image from my printables, and this is a flap. I like doing that because that way it doesn't take up the real estate for writing. So there's still lots of room for journaling. This was in the other journal as well. And I've got some more sheets here. Some trim around the edge. I stitched that on. And here's a plastic sleeve, and I just tucked in this image. And I had this beautiful envelope. I really like that, very elegant. So I inserted that in the center. There's the other side of the plastic sleeve. More tea-dyed paper. Flips down. And a tuck spot. A little hand. And this is an envelope similar to the one in the other journal. And there's a note paper. And I just attached the flap to the journal so it can open out. More parchment paper. There's another image. Another envelope, and here I just have a little tag, dream big, in this tuck spot, and there's the back. So I will include a link to my Etsy shop if anybody is interested in purchasing any of my journals. Have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye!